me, please! Someone save us!
Today, we will watch a story about love, courage, and family.
Wow, the beach is so beautiful, Dad.
It really is, buddy.
Yes, it is. Let's sit here and have some snacks. Whew.
Look at the water. Can we go swimming now, please?
Huh?
Okay, Dad?
Of course. But remember to stay close to each other.
Take that, you two!
Ah, you got me. Here comes payback.
Oh no! Look at those black clouds!
A storm is coming! Everyone, we need to leave now!
Look out, lightning!
Oh my God, run! We have to get to safety now!
Hold my hand, Anna. Don't let go.
The crowd is too big. It is very difficult to move.
Oh no. Mom! Where are you?
Where is Anna? She slipped through my fingers. She's disappeared.
Mom! Dad! I can't see you!
Anna!
Where are you? Hear my voice.
Anna! Please answer me! I'm scared! Someone help me, please!
Look! Over there! Is that Anna's pink jacket?
Yes, that's her. Anna!
I got you, sweetie. You are safe now.
Thank God. Don't ever let go of our hands again.
Come on! Let's go inside that big building over there!
They run inside a safe building. Inside, it is warm and dry.
We are safe now. That storm is very scary.
Drink some warm water, Anna. You are okay now.
Attention, please! Some people are still trapped on the beach.
They need help immediately!
The water is rising fast.
Oh no. There are still people out there in danger.
Sam looks at the storm. He knows he has to do something.
Sarah, I need to go back out there. I have to help them or...
No, Sam. It is too dangerous. The storm is too big.
Dad, please stay here with us.
Tom, if we don't help them, nobody will. They have families too. Don't worry, Anna. Your dad will be careful. I promise.
Please, Sam, come back to us safely.
I love you all. Stay here and wait for me.
Sam runs back into the storm. He is very brave.
He will be fine, Anna. Your dad is a strong man.
Oh, look! A poor little cat is trapped in the net! Don't worry, little kitty. I will get you out.
I think I heard someone's voice.
Help! Please help me! I can't move!
Hold on! I am coming! Stay calm! Calm down, I'll help you.
Help me! My leg is stuck!
1, 2, 3. Push. Oh no, Uncle, are you all right?
I'm okay. Let's get out of here.
Thank you so much. Your leg is injured.
I'm fine. Go inside the building. I see more people out there. A boat? Great! We can go out to sea and save others.
Help us! The water is too cold!
Hold on tight! I am sailing to you now!
Finally, the old man and woman were rescued and gradually brought back to shore.
You are our hero. Thank you.
Please step down carefully.
Thank you, sir.
Oh no, it seems he's fainted from exhaustion.
Stabilize the neck. Let's get him secured now.
Ready to lift on my count. Watch the rail. Clear the door.
Where is my husband? Where is Sam?
Are you Sam's family? His condition is quite serious.
Oh my god. Please, doctor, save him.
He is exhausted and severely injured, with a high fever. We need immediate surgery.
Don't cry, Anna. Dad is a hero. He is very strong. He will be okay.
Your father is a wonderful man. He saved my life.
Without him, I don't know if we'd still be here. Yes, thank you, everyone. Let's be strong for Dad.
The surgery was a big success. He is going to be fine.
Oh, Sam, you are awake. Thank heavens.
Dad, you woke up. I missed you so much.
Hey, kids. I am okay. Don't worry. With the love and care of his family, Sam gets better every day.
Today is the day Dad goes home.
Hooray for the hero! Thank you, Sam.
Wow. Thank you so much, everyone. I just did what I had to do.
Sir, you are a real hero. How do you feel right now?
Man, a great feeling.
I am not a hero. I am just a dad who wanted to keep everyone safe, like my family. This story teaches us that kindness and courage can save lives and bring people together.
If you encounter bad weather at the beach, please return home immediately or go to a safe place.
If you enjoyed today's story, please hit the like button.
See you next time. Goodbye.